In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to and view the email of a shipping confirmation within your Shopify dashboard. This is a straightforward process and will help ensure that you're keeping your customers informed every step of the way once they've placed an order with you. Let's start by heading to your Shopify dashboard. This is your command center where you manage everything related to your online store, from products to customer interactions. Once you're in the dashboard, take a look towards the lower left corner of your screen. Here you'll find a gear icon labeled as Settings. This icon is your gateway to a variety of configuration options, allowing you to tweak and tailor how different aspects of your Shopify store operate. Click on that gear icon. As you do so, a menu will appear, providing you with a series of options. From this menu, we want to focus on the section labeled Notifications. This option will be on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Notifications to proceed. Notifications are essential as they provide crucial updates to customers, ensuring they're aware of their purchase status and providing assurance that their orders are being processed and shipped. Now, with the Notifications section open, we're looking for Customer Notifications. This is where all the communication templates directed towards your customers are managed. Click on Customer Notifications, and you'll find a list of different types of emails that might be sent to your customers, covering everything from order scheduling to shipment details. Next, we're specifically interested in the email related to order shipments. So go ahead and click on Shipping Confirmation. Once you click on this, you'll be able to view the email that is sent to your customers whenever their order ships. This template is key because it lets your customers know that their order is on the way, and it often includes vital information like tracking numbers and expected delivery dates. At this stage, you are free to review this email to ensure it has all the necessary details your customers need. You might also decide to customize the email further, tailoring the message to better fit the tone and style of your brand. Keeping this communication clear and informative can dramatically enhance the customer experience, leading to higher satisfaction and potentially encouraging repeat business. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've now successfully navigated to and reviewed the shipping confirmation email within Shopify. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more equipped to manage your Shopify notifications efficiently. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore Shopify's resources or reach out to their support team for additional help. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.